Guys, it's so dark. Look at how dark it is. It's getting windy. It's so weird. My throat's like itch right now. I don't know what's going on with my throat. What? No. Yeah, I will.
Feels good though, right?
Yeah, it feels so good. Oh man. It's like move over here. That's why it's moving. Yeah, we had to talk to the right neighbor. I didn't talk to him yet. I didn't. No, I haven't. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's windy over here. Look, you feel that wind's blowing. Oh my gosh. I ain't never seen this dark. Ooh. Oh god. Dang, the wind's blowing. Guys, it's so dark. Look at that. Hey, he's so creepy. Look at this wind. Oh gosh. Here comes the wind. The wind's blowing. Wind's blowing crazy. God, jeez. I'm mad at that because the wind was acting up. Oh my god. Wait, it started right. Oh god. Man, it started right now. The wind's blowing. You see that wind? I think that wind's like says something. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What is wrong with this wind? Look, here comes the rain. Here it comes. Oh, here comes the rain. Rain, rain. Look at that, it's coming. Start to rain. Oh, look at the sky. Now it's turning gray right now. Now I can see, but look at that. Oh my gosh. That wind is blowing, acting up. So weird. God. Oh, it's thundering. Look at that wind. Look at that. Look, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh God, look at that rain. Okay. Holy crap, it's raining. Oh gosh. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh, it's hailing! Bubba, it's hail! It's hailing! Yeah, look! Yeah! Bubba! Holy cow! Oh god! Oh my god! Whoa! It's hailing! This was like a long time ago, Bubba. Oh my god! It's hailing! Look how fast the hell! Yeah. Oh my god. I knew that hill would come up. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. No, I just like filming. The hell. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Like this is a crazy storm, bro. I've never seen that. Look at that. Oh my god. It's getting worse and worse. Excuse me. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god. This is growing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, close the door. It's hailing. Wait. Oh my god. Yes, I'm okay, honey. Yeah. The wind was blowing crazy.
I had to close the door. I got Daddy on the phone.
You did? Dad, look.
Oh, it's locked.
Look, open it. Look. It's hailing.
Oh my. Okay, your dad just like 5 seconds ago walked slowly back up the driveway. I'm checking the mail, yeah.
God.
Uh-huh.
Don't forget the radar now, and it does show a bunch of little blocks right now.
Yeah, look how fast it's right here, Bubba. It's already flooded. I
Yeah.
got inner tubes. You go tubing.
Well, shit, you imagine it's been raining over and over and over.
Sure. Wow, that came down.
Mm-hmm.
Look, baby, you can
Okay.
see over here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I just wanted to call.
Oh
and
my
tell you
gosh.
to keep an eye on the weather on your
God.
side.
Yeah, I'm just keeping an eye out on this shit.
Uh-oh, who's calling you?
Yep. All right, I got Jonah calling.
All right, Mama.
All right.
Love you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, we see it too. I know. We're
Bro,
outside.
you sure seen that?
It's the same. We're outside.
Mom, oh, can you hear it?
Yes, I see it. We're outside.
We're all inside, Mom. We're good.
Okay.
I just wanted to call you and let you know that.
Look, you guys, hailing rain.
I know. Reese was over here watching it.
All right,
All right, we're safe.
Yes, we are. Yeah, okay.
Dude, the whole Walmart is shut. Oh, shit. Okay, Mom, I gotta go. We just had a fucking thing go out over here.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Tony acts like they're in a damn typhoon.
Look, Chiquita. What happened? Look at her. She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
Yeah, she's like, what the heck?
You see that, Chiquita? You see that? Oh my God, it's like flowing. Look at the wind. That wind never blows anything like that. No. Oh my God. Look at the water. Look. Oh my God. That storm just came out of nowhere. Man, we got lucky there because the rain comes like over here. God, look at so much water, Bobo. You see that, Chiquita? Look. Mucho agua. Look at the driveway. Look at the creek. Look at that. I know. What is it, Chiquita? It's raining and thundering crazy. Oh my God, that hail, it was crazy, Bobo. God. Oh my God. God, look at the rain. Look at that wind. Oh man. That hail came down, Bobo. Did you see that hail, Chiquita? When the hail was coming in on the inside. I did not pick it up because I forgot that. I don't know what size was it. Like quarter size. Oh, dollar size hail. I don't know. That's what the super thunderstorm one you were saying.
Like a dime.
Yeah, it was like a dime.
Dime size.
Dime size. Like a quarter penny size. Hey, you know that? Look at that. So much rain, so much wind and dark. It just came it came in like 2 minutes. Like I was watching the weather channel. Oh my gosh. Ooh. What is it, Chiquita? Do you see that, Chiquito? It's rainy. Oh my God, the water's like flooding up. Look at that. It's gonna fill water. Look at her. She knows everything. I was like, what's going on? I know. Look at her. What is it? Yeah. Please go away. It's making crazy. Look at the water. Oh, what the heck? There's something flowing in the water. Look at that. I think it's like hell. I don't know. It's like going that way because I saw the white. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. What is that? I can't tell what it is. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Hey, show us the red thunderstorm warning. Cool, Austin. That's where we're at. Look at that. 2:45. That's our area. Look at that. I never seen that storm. Oh my gosh. Look at that severe thunderstorm warning. 2:45 p.m. Central. It's 2:01 p.m. So we have a few minutes before the storm goes away. That way, like, clears out. Oh my gosh. And lightning. There's so much lightning. God, jeez. Yep, anything's alright though. So much rain. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Just be careful, honey. Look, she's gonna get wet. She's gonna get her head wet. Look at her phone. She's gonna get her phone wet. I think the hell melting. Sorry, melt like all the water. Look at that. Oh my god. God, jeez Louise. Oh man. That storm came out crazy. Oh my god. Hi, my baby. Get in. Oh my gosh. What? You got your phone wet?
Yeah.
Oh, Ronnie, you're gonna make it worse.
You think?
You think it's gonna be all rainy day?
Oh, I ain't driving in this mess.
Oh no. Don't you dare, Mom.
All right, Bridges. We'll dry off now.
Okay. Oh my god, Chiquita. It's okay, Chiquita. It's okay. I know. Because our guys need water. Because look at that. It's already wet. And look at the sky. Now the sky is all cloudy now. Now it's not dark anymore.
Full of stars already.
I know. Look at that. Ew, God, jeez. Hey, my baby. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy.